YO YouTube, you know who it is, your boy Chana, and I'm out here on a late night tip, about to get the grill on. I said, baby, you know what would be good right now? She'd be like, what's that? I'm like, shit, some shish kebabs with like, peppers and pineapples and rice and all that. She was like, yeah, do sound kinda good, let's go do it. So I'm like, hell yeah, let's do it. So we out here getting this grill nice and hot. I'm about to go in there and help her get this chicken cutting, and y'all coming along for the ride. Get at us.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shauna.
Shauna, you know what it is.
And it's late. We're doing this video, but we just had a taste for some pineapple fried rice and some chicken shish kebabs. So yes, we're cooking a late grilled dinner.
Yeah, y'all gonna love it.
Shauna's over here building the shish kebabs. We cut up some chicken thighs with some teriyaki and salt, pepper, garlic powder, and all that good stuff. Got some vegetables right there. We got some rice over here cooking. I'm gonna make my own fried rice. I'm gonna take the rice and do some scrambled eggs, some pineapples, and we're gonna do this oriental stir fry with it. So yeah, after you get the shish kebabs assembled, we'll come back and show y'all what we looking like. Alright, we're gonna roast these peppers instead of putting them on the grill because it's dark outside, so I don't want to burn them up. So we're gonna put all the peppers on the baking sheet with some aluminum foil. Put a little oil on them. And salt. You could have roasted them whole too on top of the stove. Have you ever seen people do that? Like put the pepper on top of the stove and just let it burn, and then you pull the burn skin off and underneath of it is roasted. Alright, so we just gonna do it this way instead, y'all. Same difference, you get that same flavor. Plus, you ever cook a shish kebab with the vegetables on it and the chicken is like just cooked and the peppers be burnt? That just makes the whole meal taste ugh. So we're gonna throw them in the oven. Look at them shish kebabs. They look good. I want to make some coastal ones or whatever they call it. With the...
I know that fire is like, it's a thing.
Well, we got time. We still got to fry the rice. We got some onions over here. Sauteing. To make the rice. We got some eggs. We're going to whip up and put some fried scrambled egg in it.
She said sauteing.
That's your word.
Now that my hands are free, we're going to go ahead and rotate them. Now, I suggest letting them cook as long as they need to cook. Don't let them burn. And if you got an upper level like I do, and you get that nice char you're looking for, just go and throw them up there and just let them go and finish doing what they're doing. Let me get closer for y'all. Go ahead and just turn them at will. And as they cook, just keep an eye on them, I know it's a little dark out here. I probably could have a little better production, but I'm trying. It's like 10 o'clock at night tonight. These neighbors about to be so jealous. And that's the plan. Yeah, that shit look straight, y'all. That shit look good. Ooh, on a late night. Hey, Blue. Say, please drop one of those things. I want one. I'll give her one. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get back at y'all. Keep getting busy.
All right, y'all. This video is all over the place because we both cooking, so we gotta take time to hold the camera for ourselves. Right now, I got some shrimp back there, onion sauté, brown rice, and the egg. I'm getting ready to just put all this together. Throw the pineapple in and fry it. Yeah, and that's how we get the. Put the rice in there. Mix it with the egg, and then we'll put the shrimp in and the pineapple, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards.
Toast. Alright, drag it. I'm just rotating them right. Tell me that don't look good. They got a little charred on that side, but we can deal with that. That's nothing we can't handle. At least we know it's getting cooked, right? That side right there need a little more. I guess it's kind of done for real. Just getting my rotate on. Yeah, it's getting done. See, and I'm still letting it smoke up top because I ain't finished with it. You know what I'm saying? I might even throw a little something sweet and tangy up on that thing. Make it right. That's some nice little giblets on that one. If I do say so myself. Oh, this one right here ain't getting no love. Oh, get your little ass up. See, I'm trying to not burn my goddamn self. Oh, there we go. All right. Get him on some heat. Heat that meat. Yeah, man. It's that dedication if y'all ain't know. Like, comment, subscribe, all the above. Look out for your peoples, man. Look out for your peoples. All right,
y'all. I know this video was not completely and well thought out and done, but we wanted to show y'all what we cooked anyway. These are chicken shish kebabs. And we got this pineapple shrimp fried rice. And remember I told you I didn't want to put the veggies on the grill because then they burn up and they got the nasty taste. So there they go. Chana's gonna hold y'all a while. Look at Kingy. He's the cutest part of the video. Hi, Kingy. No? He's sleepy. Alright, let me make a plate real quick. Matter of fact, I'll just be back after I make the plate.
I can hold it.
Alright.
The crew wants to chill, you know. They want to see what it be like.
I was just hard with both of us cooking in 2 different spots and holding the camera.
That's why I did a little iPhone footage.
That's good you was thinking like that, though.
Of course. It's Shana and Chana. And y'all should like, comment, and subscribe to this content that we're diligently making for you guys.
I know, because it's not easy with a little person.
A little person and a person in the front.
And teenage people.
Yes. We got the all-around life.
And even grandmas.
And grandmas.
No.
Like.
Yeah. You're supposed to look up at the video.
She kind of did.
Hey, guys.
Hey, guys.
So here, we got shish kebab chicken.
Ooh.
Pineapple fried rice with shrimp.
This is what people do at 9, 10 o'clock at night?
I know, it's late, right?
Wow. Matter of fact, it has to be like 11 by now. But we Paul in. No, he upstairs. I told him to come. Hold on. Hey, Dirt.
Well, Ty, I don't know if she ready to eat chicken. I know. I'm not going to let her be wrong, right?
You a good sister.
I know you're hungry. Come get it. What you been up to, man?
Just chilling.
Yeah? Did you play with that book I told you? Mm-hmm. Lying ass nigga. For real?
Yeah, I read some of it.
Alright, cool.
I can't say that on YouTube.
What?
I
alright, got you. You don't even know, though.
But my shorts are tiny. No.
I ain't catch your booty or nothing. I just got you.
No.
Yeah.
You want peppers on the side or no?
That's me, y'all. That is me.
I like green peppers.
Matter of fact, hold that real quick.
Yeah. You want to show the food?
Yeah. No, show me.
Alright.
I'm about to do a little sample. Alright.
How do you keep it focused?
Yeah, I'm not even saying that.
I knew you was going to like that right here.
Shout out to Aldi's. We get most of our groceries from there. And they always do it right.
DJ.
Nah. Yeah, we do get a lot of vegetables there, so.
You have 4 pounds though.
What you think about it?
I think it looks good. I'm going to give it a try.
Take one of them bites.
I think I'll make some hot chili and hot pepper on there. Of course not going to cook like I always do.
This chicken is
It's
good.
good.
It's good? Grandma, you said the chicken was good? And the YouTube fam came along for the ride?
It was worth the wait.
How about that? And honestly, the grill was nice and piping hot while I was shish kebabbing.
Yeah, we're gonna edit. We're gonna put that video on.
And it's gonna be lit. Hey, I hope y'all enjoy this. Hope y'all inspired to go in and cook something of similar fashion for your families and loved ones.
Good sauce you put on it.
I hope I'm gonna label them all, but we gotta go. We about to get copyrighted. So like this video, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Peace.